Home renovations are infuriating. Yep, as someone who's actually had an experience with them, not once, but twice in the last 5 years, the frustrations abound. But at the same time, the end result can be so enjoyable. Here's the thing that a lot of folks often forget though. When you upgrade or redo a portion of your castle, you gotta tell your independent insurance agent. Why? You've probably changed the insurable value. You've changed the profile of your home. Part of your review every year ought to be making sure that your policies still reflect a proper value for your greatest asset, your home. Call your independent agent the minute you know that you've inked a contract to do home renovations. You need to figure out how expansive those renovations are going to be, and if you or your contractor needs to put what's called builder's risk insurance in place. That's typically if you're going down to the studs, you're probably even moving out of the home for a time, or if you just need to make sure that the value of the home post-renovation is still reflected properly by your policy. Example, not going down to the studs, but you're going to have kitchen demo done in a day or two. In another 5 to 7 days, you're gonna have new cabinets put in, the appliances reseated. That likely doesn't need builder's risk. However, if all of a sudden we've gone from Formica to marble, and the tile, same thing, you've gone from builder's grade tile to a custom tile, things like that, it may be time to make sure that your policy reflects that. So God forbid something happens to the home, be it a hurricane, a fire, a flood. We want to make sure that you get the proper indemnification, which is a fancy word for payout, in the event of a covered loss. And the best way to ensure that is to review your policy at least annually, but particularly if you make renovations, get that agent involved and make sure that they have a full understanding of what's going on at that property. Remember, enjoy those renovations after you've dealt with all the headaches, but call, email, however you correspond with your independent agent. Let them know, brag about what you've just done to that castle, because it is important that your policies reflect the changes and improvements.